Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I look a little different right now in barefaced because I'm just going to sit down and get ready with you guys. I'm going to talk to you guys about my trip and just what's going on lately and stuff like that. So any makeup products that I am using today, I will put them in the description bar down below if you guys want to click down there, and there's also my social media links if you guys want to click those too. If you guys are interested on getting ready with me, then let's just go ahead and get started. I just got back from the gym and took a shower. I wanted to go to the gym super early today. It is Saturday. And it's like 10 in the morning right now, so I went around like 8 a.m. which is really early for a Saturday, but I like to get up and just get my day started, so I went ahead and just already went since I'm going to be going to a bridal shower later on. I just knew that I wouldn't have time later because I think my gym closes at like 6 on the weekends, which is so early. I don't know why they do that, but yeah. And I'm moisturizing my face because I just took a shower and my face is like really dry. It feels like I'm just sitting here going like, you know, when you get out of the shower and you feel like your face is so dry and you're just like stuck. It's like, I think I'm going to start with my eyes today, and I'm actually going to be using the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights X Colourpop. Like I said, I'm not really going to be doing a tutorial today. I'm just gonna be like getting ready, but I wanted to tell you guys what palette I was using because I've only used it once so far and it's pretty good, so want to use it again. I'm just setting the primer right now on my eyeshadow just to make sure that my eyeshadow blends in really nicely. I do this every time I do my eyeshadow. So I'm just doing that real quickly. So is it weird that I'm actually really excited to come home and clean tonight? It's literally a Saturday and I'm excited for my Saturday night to come home and clean. I usually do it on like Friday nights, but I worked yesterday from like 8:45 until 6, I think. So I was just like so exhausted when I got home. And my feet hurt really bad, so I didn't really want to clean. And since Christian is out of town, I can clean whenever I want because I have nothing else to do. I just love cleaning. Like, I spend my weekends cleaning and there's nothing more satisfying to me. Does anybody else feel like stress-free once they start cleaning or once they're done cleaning? Because that's like, I don't know, like Fridays when I get off work, I'm like, yes, I get to go home and clean today. Like, why am I like that? I'm only 22 years old and I feel like I'm acting like a mother. Maybe I'm just a responsible adult. Oh yeah, but anyways, Christian is out of town right now. He's currently in Miami for a bachelor party, and I'm going to the fiance of that guy's bachelor party. I'm going to her bridal shower today. But I'm getting lunch with one of my friends first, and then we're both going to go to the bridal party together. Is it a bridal party, bridal shower, wedding shower? I don't know what it's called, but everybody around me is just getting married. So yeah, the boys are in Miami right now. It's like a group of like 3 couples, including Christian and I, so 2 other couples, and we're like best friends with the other couples. And so today, me and one of the girls are gonna go to the other girl's bridal shower, and then one of the girls just got engaged. The other one's getting married in 2 months, so it's been a busy like wedding season. This was my first week back in town because I went to Vegas in California last week to go see my family. And it was pretty stressful coming back, I'm not gonna lie, because that was a very relaxing vacation. It was very much so something that I needed. So when I came back, it was just like, all right, go back to your normal life. And I just kind of like threw myself back in there and I wasn't really ready for it. So it was a little hectic, a little crazy, but since it's Saturday and Sunday, I now get to enjoy my weekend. My trip to go see my family was so nice because I haven't seen my cousins, I think, in 10 years. So seeing them was just so funny because the last time that I was there, I was literally learning about how to like put in a tampon. Like, I'm not even joking, because I was like in 6th grade or 7th grade, I can't remember, but I was so young. And then like when I came back, obviously we can like go out and drink and stuff. So it was just really funny because like now we're just so much older. And then I also saw my grandma and my grandpa, and that was just amazing. It was just good. Like, I feel like I've needed to go and be with my family for a while now, and I haven't, just because they live so far. I'm literally in North Carolina and they're across the country, so it sucks that I live all the way out here just for that reason. I wish I could live closer to them, but unfortunately, I've built my life over here. I'm so ready to get tanner. Now that it's summertime, I hate being pale. I feel so ugly. I feel like half my makeup doesn't look good. So, I'm just ready. Christian's gotten so tan because A, he works outside, and B, now he's in freaking Florida. Meanwhile, I'm in North Carolina and was like 30 degrees last night, 50 degrees today, and it's March. So I'm like, where's spring break? Why isn't it warm? I honestly think the main reason why I want summer again, well, I have like a lot of main reasons, but I just have a lot of really cute clothes that's for warm weather. And I have a lot of cute clothes for cold weather, but it's like, you know when you have a lot of cute like sweaters and stuff, but they're not actually warm sweaters, so you're just kind of like cute, but you're freezing? Do any of you guys have that same problem where you're like, yeah, I can't wait for winter, I have the cutest sweaters, cutest scarves, but then it's like actually winter time and it's cold as balls, so you literally can't wear any of it. It's like the most pointless thing ever. You go to like Marshall's and you're like, oh hell yeah, this knit sweater is so cute. And then it's like, what the fuck? It's like 30 degrees outside. What am I doing wearing this knit sweater? What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer winter or do you guys prefer summer? For some reason my camera keeps overheating and I don't understand why it does that. Does anybody else have the Sony A5100 and it like heats up on you or overheats? I have to show you guys this new highlighter from Wet n Wild. It's the Moon Tears highlighter. It just came out. It's like their Skull collection. I don't know what collection this is called. But it's like a powder highlight. I've never used a powder highlight, so I just use like a little teeny tiny bit on this brush. Look at this. Like, how is that real considering this is $5? I mean, Wet n Wild just never lets us down, let's be honest. Pluck this eyebrow because that's getting like a little embarrassing. I have never gotten my eyebrows waxed in my life. I don't know why, but I'm just terrified that someone's gonna mess them up. I've heard her horror stories, and I've also seen horror stories in cosmetology school. Oh, that one hurt. So I'm just gonna pop these lashes on real quickly off camera, and then I'll be right back to show you guys what lip color I'm using. So I'm gonna spray this little brush just with some Pixie Glow Mist, and I'm going to pick a little bit of that highlighter up, and I'm gonna place that on my inner corner. I just got the lipstick Aquarius from Colourpop. So I'm going to try this color, and if it's too dark, I'm gonna put a little bit of this Anastasia Milkshake on it. For some reason, I feel like Colourpop lipsticks just go really, really dark on me, and I didn't like how that turned out. So I'm going to take this Plump Buxom lipstick in the color Amuse Me. And then I'm gonna top it off with another one called Russian to You, which is a little bit more warm. All right, so I like the combination of this much better just because it's like a little bit more pinky, and I don't really like brown nudes on me. They just look really strange, and I just don't like it. So I like this much, much better. Now I'm just going to do my hair. I don't have that much time left, so I'm just going to quickly do my hair real quick, and then I'll show you guys like what the whole look looks like once I'm finished. So I'll be back once my hair is all done. So I am back and I'm all done getting ready. I put on my outfit and I finished my hair. Obviously this is such an awkward angle because I'm like scrunching down, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing this like jean jacket that has these cute little, what do you call these things? Like just cute little designs. It's like little floral, and it's from the brand, it's like blank NYC or something like that, or something like that. I'll link it down below if I find it. I found it at Marshall's and it was like $80 or something, which is really expensive and I would never spend that, but I love this and it's such good quality, and it has like little buttons and stuff right here. It's like pearl little buttons, and it just like zips up, so it's really fitted. And then I have this bodysuit, I'll show you guys, and it has these little flirly sleeves, which is so cute. And I also got this from Marshall's. It was like $10 yesterday. And then I have these like high-waisted black jeans. I'll stand back here so you guys can see a little bit better. But these high-waisted black jeans, and then they have like ripped knees right here. And then I'm just wearing these like, so awkward, but I'm wearing these black booties, and these are Sam Edelman. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I was wearing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this like get ready with me video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.